Look at that, 13x. And with a very substantial stop loss to the 5-day moving average right there. All because you understood how to be using the algorithms to guide your trade. Absolutely beautiful trade right there. Now, where do we go from here? Well, it's very important you watch yesterday's video later so you can understand the context from this. So we are in the buying continuation right now, isn't it? I need you to see where the buying continuation came from. Now, the first one was obviously understanding this engulfing candle here, right? Once we broke out of that range, we broke out like that, and you see how there was this green algorithm I told you to worry about, and see the early rejection of that green, building more liquidity, continuing that continuation there, right? You see that. So even with this red candle, it doesn't phase you. In fact, you saw that coming because you knew about this green algorithm and you wanted to see it build more liquidity on the way up right there. And thereafter, you see how with that same green algorithm, the market was building liquidity again. The next straight candle you see in the 30-minute chart was a retracement back to the 30-minute candle before pushing back up in that green algorithm again. Absolutely beautiful trade. So this is known as a buying continuation. You have to first look out for buying continuation tomorrow. If it continues buying, this is a grind up, right? You have to be looking out for that